Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to Virgo Vibe, where we explore spiritual growth, manifestation, and the universal energies that guide us. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we're diving deep today into how astrology connects with the universal laws. You've probably heard of the universal laws, the law of attraction, the law of vibration, the law of cause and effect. But did you know that these cosmic principles align perfectly with astrology? Every zodiac sign embodies a unique energy that resonates with one or more of these laws. So let's break it down. The universal laws are like the operating system of the universe. They govern how energy moves and flows, whether it's the law of action, reminding us that effort is required for manifestation, or the law of vibration, which teaches us that like attracts like. These laws are always at play. And just like the universal laws, astrology offers us a cosmic roadmap. Your zodiac sign, your birth chart, it's all connected to these divine principles. Together, they create a blueprint for your spiritual growth and manifestation journey. Since we're all about that Virgo vibe here, let's start with Virgo energy. Virgo is practical, analytical, and detail-oriented. This sign connects deeply with the law of correspondence. The law of correspondence states that as above, so below. In other words, what's happening in your external world mirrors what's happening within you. Virgos naturally embody this law because they thrive when their inner world is organized, balanced, and aligned. So if you're a Virgo, or if Virgo energy is strong in your chart, your superpower is using this law to clean up your mindset, shift your energy, and manifest from a place of clarity. But it's not just about Virgo. Every sign resonates with a universal law. Aries connects with the law of action, teaching us how to take bold steps toward our goals. Libra aligns with the law of balance, helping us find harmony in relationships. Through this series, we'll explore each zodiac sign and its cosmic connection to the universal laws. By the end, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to use both astrology and these divine principles to manifest your dreams and grow spiritually. If this resonates with you, let me know in the comments what's your zodiac sign and which universal law do you think you align with most. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because next time we're diving into Aries energy and the law of action. Stay aligned, stay grateful, and as always, keep those Virgo vibes high. Thanks for watching.